Fouzan from English class batch 3 Study Academy. First of all, I would like to tell my thanks to Allah because I got the opportunity through this Study Academy. I would like to tell my thanks to management to organize this kind of course, and I show the several type of courses there. They have also a lot of course, English, Sinhala, what you call IT subject also they have. It is actually is a good opportunity, and my special thanks to Miss Mehra. Actually, she is a very good teacher and very kind heart. Anytime we can ask our question, we can raise our hand, and she will reply for everything. So if we are not understanding anything, she will repeat it again and again for any time. So I was learned through this study academy. I learned lot of new words and lot of things I learned from here, because you know that learn is not end. So this is a good chance for me actually. I improve my knowledge and lot of things I improve from this course. Thank you very much for all, and Miss Mehra.